Welcome, in front of me is a XIAOMI Black Shark 3, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which is this moon icon right here, and you want to hold that. This will take us to the settings where we can customize the DND, so Do Not Disturb. Once you tap on it, it brings you up several other options. So incoming calls, none. Let's change it to something a little bit more respectable, like from shared contacts only, which is basically your favorites. Now you have a couple additional options like contacts and anyone, which defeats the purpose, the last one. Then you have the notify about repeated callers. So if anybody calls you twice within a 15-minute period, you will get notified that they're trying to reach you, no matter what the allowed callers is set to. So you could have it to no one and you would still get notified. And then you have restrict loading notifications, so this will just kind of hide the notification popping up, and schedule turn on time. So you can set it to have a schedule, just tap on it, and you can tap on to add new one, name, you can keep it as it is, or call it whatever you want, days of the week. So you have basically 3 presets, so every day, weeknight, weekends, and custom, which will give you the most amount of customization over it. So you can choose whichever one you want here, days of the week, confirm that, and then start time. Let's create a work one, so 9 to 5. 9 to 5. There we go, to 5. And from there, tap on the check mark, and bam, it's now enabled and already working. And we didn't even need to toggle it on because it's right now in the time that it's supposed to be working in. Or at least it should be. The time is a little bit weird though. It's not 7. And anyway, so that is how you would set it up to be automatic. And apart from that, you can still toggle it on and off yourself by just tapping on the check mark right here and turning on and off. And I think I turned it on by selecting this. Yes, that's how I turned it on. Okay, just to clarify. But yeah, once you set on the schedule, you don't have to fiddle with it anymore. It will then automatically turn on and off at the given time. And for the past that, you can do it yourself whenever you need it outside of the schedule if you want to. But that is how you would enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.